So this is just a quick video for the EEV blog forum. This is just to explain an issue that I'm having with a battery management system I'm designing. So the issue I'm been having is whenever I set a certain voltage set point without this load resistor connected, I can set the voltage set point and the LED comes on. But for some odd reason, when I connect this resistor, it's like the MOSFET just goes off and there's no current flowing through it whatsoever. And the only way for me to get it to trigger is actually to turn up the supply voltage. Now, I don't think it's anything to do with the resistor causing a voltage drop, because I've measured the current through it in this condition when connected, and there's nothing. I cannot measure anything going through it, so it's quite strange. So what I'd have to do to get it to come on again is to adjust the set point, or what I'll do is increase the supply voltage. So I'll just turn this up a little bit. I'll have to adjust it much higher than what was set originally for the MOSFET to turn on. So I've really no idea what's going on, and this is really the best I can explain it. All this stuff over here isn't actually part of it just now. That's an opto isolator. That's for other stuff. It's not even implemented. But what I have noticed is when I connect the resistor and the LED's off, like it was before. So if I just turn this down until it just goes off. So we're back in this condition again where it's off when the resistor's connected. The voltage at the middle of this potentiometer seems to ripple around for some odd reason. I'm not sure what's going on there. So I can actually measure that at the potentiometer. Now, if I just go to ground there and measure at the potentiometer, you can see it doesn't seem to be rippling around very much just now. That's because the resistor's disconnected. So if I connect the resistor, it's kind of jumping all over the place for some reason. So you can see it a bit better there. With that resistor connected, the voltage for some odd reason across the middle of that potentiometer there is jumping around, and I've tried replacing the potentiometer and that hasn't worked either. So it's quite a weird one, this.